In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create tickets in HubSpot so you can track customer issues, manage requests, and keep your team organized. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to the CRM section. From the left sidebar, find and click on Tickets. This is your central dashboard where all support requests and internal issues are managed in one place. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner and click on the Create Ticket button. This opens a panel where you'll enter the key details for your new ticket. Begin with the ticket name. Make it clear and descriptive so anyone on your team immediately understands what the issue is about. Next, choose the pipeline. Pipelines help you organize tickets based on your workflow, whether it's customer support, onboarding, or internal tasks. After that, set the ticket status, such as new, in progress, or closed, so you can easily track progress. Now, associate the ticket with a contact or company. This step is important because it links the issue directly to the person or organization involved, making it easier to track communication and history later on. Once everything looks good, click Create and your ticket will be added to the system. You can also create tickets directly from a contact or company record. Simply open the contact or company profile, look for the Tickets section on the right side, and click Add. Fill in the same details, and the ticket will automatically be linked to that record. This method is especially useful when you're already working with a specific customer and want to log an issue quickly without switching screens. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage tickets in HubSpot, helping you stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks.